What's going on today, guys? So we are going to be installing some aluminum door cards on the hatch. We're just gonna be getting rid of these old ones because these just like are starting to crack and break, and they just rattle the entire time. And I don't know, just getting it closer to looking what I want it to look like. These are the LRB door cards that I ordered. I already like kind of mocked them up a little bit, and I want to keep the lock on the door, so I'm gonna chop this up right here. So we're gonna have to make a hole and just open this up a little bit wider. But yeah, they look nice. I just have to modify them a little bit. And I already started taking this one apart. So there's a screw here holding this, and then there's a screw back here behind the handle, and you have a couple of screws right here that you got to take off as well, and it just pops off. Really, like you see what I mean, man? Like styrofoam just fucking fell out. But yeah, we're gonna get started on that. I'm gonna get some measurements off of the existing door cards, and I'm gonna hopefully cut it and not really mess it up too bad. So yeah, guys, I'll show you guys that in a second. Alright guys, so I kind of messed up. I installed them and forgot to film it, but these were really easy to install. Just roll your window all the way down, basically just toss them on. On the other side, I got rid of the lock, but on this side I wanted to keep it. I have new speakers coming in because the ones on this side were broken, but these were actually super easy. They came with these interior pins, and you just slap them in on the side, and they go in to factory holes. So that was really simple, but I'll show you the other side really quick. See over here, I got rid of the lock, and it's just this bolt right here, and the strap is the door handle. Works fine. But yeah guys, this is how it's supposed to look. I just wanted to cut out the other side and just keep it that way, just for that over there. Really don't have a reason besides just simplicity. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. In the next one, we're gonna try and attempt to flock the dash. There's a carbon fiber tray delete coming in to get rid of the airbag piece coming in as well, so we'll do an install on that. But yeah guys, that's what's gonna be coming up. Again, apologize about forgetting to film, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next one.